Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another video episode on ForgottenWeapons.com. Today we're here at Rock Island again, taking a look at another interesting prototype pistol. This is a Colt pistol, and what's interesting is it appears to be basically either a modified Browning 1900 or a modified Colt 1903. It's simple, straight blowback. There's no locking mechanism to it. It's in 380, as is very prominently displayed here, and it represents a pistol that never actually went into production with Colt. And so there's kind of a question as to why not. The thought really is that this may have been designed to avoid having to pay royalties, basically, to John Browning for his 1903 pocket hammerless design. The contours on this suggest that they actually used the same tooling as from the Colt 1903 hammer pistol. So, just an interesting piece of history. Who knows what it could have become, but ultimately didn't. So, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in again to ForgottenWeapons.com for another sneak peek at prototype pistols.